Alright guys, today we are going to be doing an air filter, AC filter for a 2020 Nissan Ultima. Part numbers and whatnot, I'll look these up, find you one on Amazon, put a link in the description below. So we got to take the glove box out. Alright, there's going to be two screws. I have one right here, and then on the other side there's going to be one right here, and there's two in the top. That one, you open the blocks, three up top. We're going to pop those 5 out. Right, just 5? Yeah. And yeah, we'll go from there. You got to pull this side cover off, it's just clipped in. Just got to grab it and pull it off. It's just those metal clips to get it off. And then this guy comes out. It's got some clips as well that stab into the sides. You know, over on this side as well, so it unclips as well. And then there's a plug to unplug this light. We gotta undo that. We're in behind, got the AC filter cover here. Pull on that, comes out. You'll notice that the AC filter's directional arrow is down, so we're gonna pull this out of here. Pulling the directional arrows down. Gonna line it up to the new one so we know we got the right size, and then we're going to put the new one in with the directional arrow down. Directional arrow down. Like so. Coming in all the way like that. Tip in, click right on in, and then you're going to plug your wire back in and push your glove box clips back in. Then we're going to go ahead and put this back on, clips in place, just pops back in. Then 3 screws in the top, we're going to put those 3 in and then 2 in the bottom. And that's it. Fresh new AC filter in there. This helped you out, guys. This helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'll put the parts in the description below. Just click the link. Peace.